Welcome to the lesson on planning a blockchain solution. In this lesson, we'll discuss the architecture of a blockchain and then use this to inform how we'll plan and design a blockchain solution. I know all too often when we're tasked to build a project, we get very eager to dive in and start building. I know I've definitely been guilty of that. But if we were to just take a step back and just a little bit of extra time up front to plan, it would help us recognize and plan around avoidable pitfalls down the road and save months of rework and a little bit of everyone's sanity down the road. Now let's consider an electronic medical record system that allows medical providers to securely and efficiently access patient health information about thousands of patients across the entire Southern California region. This system needs to help medical providers securely and accurately access information about their patients' health across time, be able to submit information to other parties such as labs or pharmacies, as well as accurately trigger billing information. This electronic medical record system is looking to integrate blockchain solutions. Because a blockchain solution involves several layers, such as a blockchain, smart contract, and web services, the need to plan becomes even more important. Not only are there additional layers to consider, but these new layers need to integrate well with an existing legacy system. We also notice that the data will need to securely pass through several actors, from the medical provider to the patient to the labs, pharmacies, and even to the billing department. So each transaction will include multiple users with different permissions. This is even more to consider. In this term, we'll be building towards architecting a blockchain solution for a supply chain. With all that in mind, we'll be overviewing a blockchain architecture. Then, planning how to architect a blockchain solution. Next, we'll cover an overview of the tools, which includes UML, which is used for modeling behavior and structural interactions in the smart contract, as well as the data model diagram, which is used to model contract relationships. We'll also talk about decisions when layering services. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be familiar with blockchain architecture. Using this knowledge, you'll be able to plan blockchain services and model this using UML and data model diagrams. Along the way, you'll get a chance to have hands-on practice brainstorming your own supply chain idea and modeling its functionality. With all that, let's get started.